Now we're going to look at the Princess Margaret Home Lottery Showhouse second floor. One of the great things I love about the design of this house is the overlooks. So the first thing you notice is when you come up the stairs, you have the balcony that looks over the staircase. You have the balcony that looks over this great two-story space. Now we have 4 bedrooms on the second floor, and each one has a lot of personality. The master, as all of this house shows, is very bright. So we have a lot of windows, and we have the overlook from the master bedroom down into the 2-story family room. It's a really bright space, and the focal point is this brass 4-poster. And I think it really adds a lot of sparkle to the space because the rest of the furniture is a wire brushed oak, which is a little more relaxed, and the brass gives a little bit of sparkle, and then the floral bed adds a softness to the room. The bathroom I just love, and as everyone knows from my bathroom, I love beautiful, relaxing, luxurious bathrooms because I think that's the space where you really want to pamper yourself. So before you go into the master bathroom, you have this makeup area, which is this floating mirrored makeup table, and then the whole niche is mirrored. And we use the ghost chair because we wanted it very light, and the ghost chair is perfect for makeup tables in case you drop your makeup brush or nail polish. It's easy to clean. When you go into the bathroom, we did another signature floor. We've basically taken the Cosentino slabs and used an old traditional many 100-year-old pattern. And what we did was we took slabs and we cut it into these shapes to create this great pattern. Almost gives you the optical illusion of depth. And then we took that right into the shower. So we get this seamless effect, no curb, and then we took the solid field color of the floor up the wall in large slabs with this great architectural niche along the back. We did a double vanity, but you'll notice this is an exceptionally long vanity, and we did the white stone top and a Cerussed oak. The sconces are deco inspired, and then one of the main features is we did this wood slatted screen behind the tub, and it almost has this Japanese feel. I just love it, and a spa-like feel. So you can see through it, but it filters the view. So the 3 other bedrooms were really designed for children, and they're in deep saturated colors. And in this first one, we did an oversized day bed, but this is really great for sitting on, doing homework, having a friend over. We did a big desk and dresser, and we did really a dramatic color scheme in there, and especially in the adjoining bathroom, it's in that black and charcoal. So it really has a lot of personality in this room. We have 2 other children's rooms on the floor. One is in this sort of beautiful purpley color, and one has a safari theme in another dark color. They share a bathroom. It's a great way to get a bigger bathroom instead of 2 small bathrooms, but we still have privacy. The toilet compartment is frosted glass, the shower is frosted, so if someone's brushing their teeth or blow drying their hair, someone could be in the shower and has privacy. So it's a really good use of space, and you get a very luxurious bathroom. In the children's rooms, we use really saturated colors, almost teenagers' rooms. And when you do that, I like to paint the trim the same color. You can see how it makes the room a little more modern because we have a more traditional baseboard, traditional doors. So by painting it out, you really get that wow factor of the color and a little more modern feeling with painting the trim. In the daughter's room, we did this bold floral bedding, and that really is the focal point. And when you see in all the bedrooms, this is really a great way to change up the room. So it's so dramatic, that bedding, and then you can change it to something else in the winter and something else next summer. So we picked that really great color for the background, and the pop is the bedding. On the second floor, we have a linen closet, but the linen closet has a washer-dryer combo in it. And this is a really great solution for everybody if you have a large enough linen cupboard on your second floor. So you've seen all the bedrooms, so there are a lot of people living in the house and a great main floor for entertaining, but wait till you see the lower level because that's where you really entertain and have fun.